Imagine being a digital detective, someone who can unravel the complexities of modern business and technology. A master builder constructing the very foundations of how a company operates, and a business strategist, all rolled into one essential job. They are the linchpin connecting technology and business goals. That's the world of a business automation architect, a role that's becoming increasingly vital in today's fast-paced digital landscape. These pros connect the messy, clunky parts of a company into a smooth-running machine, streamlining processes and eliminating bottlenecks, making sure your online orders and customer queries never get lost in the shuffle, ensuring a seamless experience for everyone involved. It's not just about code, it's much more than that. It's about understanding how a business breathes, how its different departments interact, and what makes it tick, and building systems that help it thrive, adapt, and stay ahead of the competition in an ever-evolving market. They redesign entire workflows, from the initial customer interaction to the final delivery of a product or service, replacing slow, manual steps with sleek, automated solutions that boost efficiency and reduce errors. That let companies scale their operations, improve customer satisfaction, and ultimately serve customers better than ever before. Every instant shipping notification you receive or the quick problem resolution you experience, that's an automation architect's blueprint at work, silently orchestrating a symphony of efficiency behind the scenes. So, what does a typical day look like? Well, let me tell you, it's definitely never boring. Each day brings a new set of challenges and opportunities. Mornings might kick off with high-level strategy sessions, where we're charting the course for the future. This often involves mapping out broken workflows with department heads, identifying bottlenecks, and finding ways to streamline processes. We work together to understand the current state and envision the ideal future. Then comes blueprinting, the core of the architect's work. This involves carefully designing how data flows through the entire system, ensuring its integrity and accessibility. We're constantly anticipating every what if, considering potential risks and vulnerabilities, and of course building robust digital safety nets to protect against those threats. Security is paramount. But then suddenly, without warning, a system fails. And just like that, you're the firefighter rushing to the scene. That means digging through complex logs, searching for clues. It's all hands on deck, collaborating closely with the IT team, sharing insights and expertise. Working together, we focus on fixing the problem quickly and efficiently, even under intense pressure. Later, you might mentor a junior developer, sharing your knowledge and experience. Or you could be pitching your latest solution to a room full of executives, carefully translating complex tech into clear, understandable business value. This role is a constant balance, a juggling act really. It requires creative design, thinking outside the box to find innovative solutions, but also technical troubleshooting, getting down into the weeds to solve complex problems, and of course clear communication, the ability to explain complex ideas in a way that everyone can understand. You're not just building systems, you're crafting the future of the organization. More importantly, you're building trust and confidence with stakeholders across the business. It's challenging, demanding, but ultimately rewarding, and never ever routine. Success here takes more than tech skills. Yes, you need to know automation platforms and how APIs connect systems. But the real edge? Systems thinking, seeing how everything fits together, and relentless curiosity about how people work. Empathy is key. Understanding real frustrations so you can design solutions people actually want to use. Communication is your superpower. You must explain complex ideas simply, switching from tech talk with developers to clear benefits for business leaders. The best architects don't just automate, they improve work lives. Your ability to translate complexity into clarity is your most valuable tool. The payoff? Excellent salaries, often six figures because your impact is tangible. Job security and flexibility are huge. Every industry needs automation, and much of the work can be done remotely, but it's not low stress. When systems fail, you're the go-to fixer, sometimes after hours. You'll face resistance to change and need patience to navigate office politics. Still, if you love solving puzzles and seeing your ideas come to life, the rewards are real. Watching a clunky process transform into a seamless workflow you designed is deeply satisfying. Are you ready to run toward the fire? Are you worried about AI taking over jobs, leaving professionals behind? It's a common concern in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape. The rise of artificial intelligence has sparked anxieties about job security and the future of work. But as a business automation architect, you'll be the one directing AI, shaping its implementation, and ensuring it works for us, not the other way around. You'll be at the forefront, guiding the integration of AI into business processes. Your job evolves. It's not about being replaced, but about transforming your role, integrating AI and automation seamlessly into existing workflows, deciding where each technology fits best, optimizing processes for maximum efficiency and impact, and ensuring ethical, responsible use of these powerful tools, considering the broader societal implications. Strategic creativity, thinking outside the box to find innovative solutions, and ethical judgment, those uniquely human skills AI can't replicate, become your competitive edge, your most valuable asset. You'll design systems, architecting the future of work, where bots handle routine, repetitive tasks, freeing up human potential, and AI tackles complex decisions, providing insights and recommendations to guide strategic choices. To future-proof your career in this dynamic landscape, start tinkering with automation tools, experimenting with different platforms and technologies, and look for processes to improve, identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies that can be streamlined. See the world through an architect's eyes. Every slow, cumbersome process is an opportunity waiting to be unlocked. So what would you automate first? What's the low-hanging fruit in your organization? Share your ideas below and let's build the future together, a future where humans and AI collaborate to achieve extraordinary things.